Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this pre-owned 2022 Ford Escape SEL that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around this Escape today, just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Now the SEL trim level does offer a great blend of features. As we come around towards the back here, you can see you do have your rear park sense. You can see your sensors there across that back bumper. Backup camera also included there. Power lift gate, so you can easily access the cargo area in the back. Again, just your power lift gate option. Checking out some of the features inside here. So you can see in the back seat, decent amount of legroom for your passengers back there. Seats themselves are a leather seat, so do offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. Up top, you do have your dual pane sunroof. Checking out some of the features up front here. So you do have your touchscreen display area, so access to, of course, all of your audio media controls built in there. Bluetooth capabilities, navigation, and access to just some of the settings and apps in through there. Just below that, again, access to your audio media controls, climate control options below that. You do have your heated front seats, heated steering wheel. USB port hookups just down and below that. Key fob for the unit right here, so remote start is included, so a great option. You don't have to worry about post-purchase. Your push button start just in behind. Steering wheel mounted controls, so you do have access to all of your Bluetooth capabilities, all of your audio media controls kind of in on the left hand side, as well as your cruise control options. Power windows, locks, side mirrors. And as you can see towards the center of the screen there, this Ford does have 84,859 kilometers currently on it. But if you're looking for a great little pre-owned SUV, this Ford Escape could be for you. If you have additional questions, please feel free to give the team a call at 780-826-2999 or follow the links below.